Today's announcements are sponsored by the Carlin Company, where we make buying and selling your home a memorable experience.
Hello, Bryan Middle and High School. Today is Wednesday, March 14th.
Are you looking for a job this spring or summer? Check out the bulletin board by the high school office for any area business that is looking to hire.
Attention students, if you are somebody who likes to explore the different cultures of the world, the Rotary Club is sponsoring a World Community Workshop that will study the history, customs, economics, and political issues of Vietnam, exploring the past, experiencing the now.
The event will be held at Defiance College from Thursday, May 10th to Saturday, May 12th. If you are interested in expanding your cultural knowledge in a world that is rapidly diversifying, please see Mr. Niese by Friday, March 23rd to apply.
Drivers, please remember when pedestrians are in crosswalks, you must yield and/or stop for them. You are not permitted to roll through crosswalks as pedestrians are walking through and are exiting the crosswalk.
Tickets are on sale in the athletic office for the 35th annual four-county All-Star Cage Classic to be played on Friday, April 6th at our Bryan High School. From our school, Allye Minor, Sidney Lamberson, Zhane, Cupp, and Peyton Lamberson will be playing. Tickets are $5 and all proceeds go to the Special Olympics.
There will be a slam dunk contest and a three-point shoot-off contest held between the girls and the boys All-Star games. Come watch the fun. Buy your tickets early, support our players in Special Olympics.
Congratulations to Caitlin Antigo on being selected for Bryan High School's Franklin B. Walters Scholarship recipient. Caitlin and Mrs. Elsinger, her selected teacher, were honored Monday night at the banquet in Archbold.
Don't forget to order your Ike t-shirt by this Sunday. The website to order can be seen below. There are 2 designs to choose from, and there are youth and adult shirts available. Please support Ike. Go Bears or go home!